Turn our radio on. We'll put ourselves on the channel. So to change the channel, if you just press this little square in the middle, and just type 12 in. And then if you just slot that on there.
So given this is your first day, really?
Yeah.
What sort of things are you anxious about?
I'm really worried about making a mistake, to be fair, but I think it'll be okay. I mean, I'm really happy to have Kaylee with me. She seems to know what she's doing.
You'll be fine. Anything you're not sure of, let me know. We'll talk through jobs before we go to them, so it'll be absolutely fine. All right.
Thank you. That makes me feel better. Yeah. I'm also really excited. It's not all doom and gloom. I can't wait to get out, and I've never actually wore the full uniform out, so it's my first time, and even that is like really exciting, you know, so.
Chloe and Kaylee are now available to respond to emergency calls. While we wait, Chloe explains to me why she chose to become a neighbourhood police officer. Her job will be to work with communities to build up trust in the police.
I've grew up on loads of different estates my whole life. Like, there's always police around. Some people just don't like working with them or don't want to go to the police for help. So I do understand.
Do you hope to change that?
Definitely. I think I'm not naive, you know, I'm only one person. I can't go in and expect to change a whole police force. And for me, as long as I know that I'm always acting, you know, honestly, with integrity and trying my best.
It's not long before a job comes in.
Right, I'll just find out exactly where they want us to go. Zulu Tango Golf 14. Yeah, it's copied with 05. So we've got a missing person that said they're going to harm themselves. So we're heading over there as quick as we can.
The serious nature of the job means that the blue lights and sirens go on.
People don't really move out the way.
People don't know what to do when there's blue lights sometimes. They really panic.
How's it feeling, Chloe? Is your first big blue light moment?
You know, someone's probably going through a really hard time right now, feeling really distressed. But, you know, hearing the noises and seeing, like, how it all works, it is, like, it's pretty
What you've been training for?
Yeah, it's the final pieces of the puzzle, you know.
So there's one unit that will be out the house, and all the other units will be out searching, just see if we can come across the male and just make sure that he is okay. So, did you want to have a go at calling up on the radio for the first time? It's a really easy one.
Okay.
So all you need to just say is Zulu Tango Golf 14 and then just pause and wait for them to come back to us.
Okay.
Then we'll just say we're 06 area searching. 06 basically means we're on scene at the job.
Okay. Zulu Tango Golf 14. We're 06 area searching. Yay, I did it.
How was that?
Yeah, horrible.
What's the situation now?
So we've got a couple of units that are still dealing with this missing person, and we're going to leave them to it and just see what other jobs are going on and see what else we can help out with.
Yeah.
With Chloe and Kaylee now clear, they're asked to return to the station.
So, are you up for your first arrest?
Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah.
Perfect. Right, we'll just start heading back towards Wickham Police Station and we'll go and get the details. Apparently the guy is known to sometimes be violent to officers as well, so we'll just have to bear that in mind. There will be 4 of us there.
It's the job, isn't it? I'm going to be doing it, probably 1,000 times, so I need to need to get that fear out of my head and just do it. I think I know the caution. Yeah, I got it. I know
There
the
you
caution.
go.
A practice?
Yeah, so it's you do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something which you later rely in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence.
Perfect.
Yep.
Sends a chill up my spine.
As I'm quickly learning, there's no predicting how a day as a police officer will turn out.
Yes, copy.
Another blue light call has come in. We did film what happened next, but we're not legally allowed to show you because the case is now in the courts.
Hello, police.
But I can tell you that Chloe made her first arrest.
You are under arrest, so you do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something which you later rely on in court. Did I say everything okay? Yeah,
it was absolutely fine.
Okay.
How did that feel?
I thought I'd be a lot more nervous than I was, but having a victim in that situation made the arrest for me a lot easier to do. I don't know if that's like a common thing, because it's just like, As soon as you see someone who's been affected, you want justice for that person. So if an arrest leads to that, I'm going to do it. Do you know what I mean? And that's how I felt in that moment. So I can't believe I just made my first arrest. Oh my God.
There you go.
I know.
I find myself in the odd position where I'm like rooting for you today,
The Rocky.
but you can see how much you care.
Oh, thank you.
Really connected with Chloe, and part of that was just because we come from similar backgrounds. That means that rapport is possible for many people that she might encounter. It's not necessarily about just trying to like woke wash the police. There is also a mechanics to how you engage with communities, which is based around your own experience and understanding and ability to identify with people.